Hey everybody, this is Brian Brewer with Modern Day Computers, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a fairly simple product, nothing major. It is the Belkin Neon Grip Glo case for the iPod Touch 5th generation. I got this at Myers for 20 bucks. You can find it at Amazon for 20 bucks. You probably have it cheaper someplace else. But, 20 bucks, for a little rubber case, I figured, what the heck. So, this is just an unboxing and trying out. Nothing really fancy, so get my handy-dandy IT cutting knife. And we'll just try it out. Slice it open. And it seems to be really fascinating. Now, there it peels right off. Maybe. Wow. Okay. That's pretty cool packaging. It comes attached like this, so. But, it's a regular rubber case. You can see the logo in there. Belkin. On the back it is glossy finish with a white stamp of the Belkin man, dot man. It has the two buttons for the volume switch, a button on top for power, Belkin logo right on the side here, and it has the hole for the hand strap and the hole for the camera with flash. So I'm going to get my iPod Touch, and it's going to be the same thing. Wow. Hold it up, how could you tell the difference? Neat. So, see how well it works. Yeah. And that's basically it. Make sure it turns on. Yep, it turns on. And this is the date, so you kind of need to see this, a couple years from now. Has clearings for the headphone jack, the lightning port, and the speakers, so this is well situated. The camera is not obstructed whatsoever, and flash is available. And it has enough room for the let's see if I can find it. For the hand strap, I don't put mine on, because to me it's nothing but a piece of fake leather. Nah. Oh wait. I'm just going to use this. Using my Android headsets that I got with my Nexus 1. Okay. Well, if that can clear it, the wire's too thick, it'll clear the hand strap, so that's pretty good. So, has a nice, it feels solid. It's a rubber thing, rubber feel to it. There's nothing obstructing the front. It's basically just the border and covers for the back. Nothing, to cover the button, just like previous iPod Touch, which I can't find. Oh well. Well, here it is. Yeah. This is a Belkin model of the iPod Touch 4th generation. See what I mean? This is a, this has a textured finish. This was really cool. But yeah, this has a glossy finish to it, so you can see my lamp post on the wall in my window. Yeah, but otherwise, it feels decent. So if you're looking to getting a case for your iPod Touch, or you're hoping to get an iPod Touch for Christmas and maybe get a case for it, I don't see any problem with getting the Belkin Grip Neon Glo for $20. This does not look cheaply made, so, but just to demonstrate one more thing, lightning port. It charges. There's no obstruction whatsoever, so seems fine with me. So that's basically it. So this is again the Belkin Grip Neon Glo black case, glossy black. You can buy for at least $20 or cheaper, and depending on where you find it. So this is Brian with Modern Day Computers with this review. So have fun and geek out.